So far, you have seen the first 17 episodes of Season 2 of Me and My Dog, but we still got time to wrap up this season. It's our overall climax. So don't miss Part 2 of the double episode finale, starting now. Everybody's in. Network time. And my dog.
This continues from previous episode at 12:30 p.m.
Yep, Jeep wins a luxury vehicle award. And while that may shock some,
my
anyone
revenge
who's
has
spent
begun.
time inside
Now I
the
will
new
be
Grand
ruling the
Wagoneer
universe.
will
Oh
totally
no,
get
you
it.
don't.
And this
I don't
year
know
it's
how you
really
escaped
grown to
from
new
jail,
lengths
but you're
with an
not
extended
gonna build this
wheelbase
freeway
version
or
that
this
provides
field.
cavernous storage
It's
space
illegal,
behind the
and the
third
mayors
row,
will not
so you
allow
can haul
it.
plenty of cargo and people. It's the ultimate go-anywhere family getaway machine that
Well, guess
pampers
what?
in every
The
way
mares can kiss
possible.
my ass, and my army
The
of
small
zombies,
truck
and I will
owners go
rule
to
the
a repeat
universe.
winner, the
Therefore,
Ford
you're
Maverick.
outnumbered.
Last year saw
You're
the
wrong.
re-emergence of true compact pickups.
Well,
And the
it's a
Ford
good thing
Maverick
you brought
easily
some
won an
backup.
award
The
from
Annual
us
Police
for not
Department
only
and the
giving
Flushing
buyers a
agents will
great
destroy your army.
reliable, capable
Now,
pickup,
where is
access to
Fabrizio,
features,
Sammy,
but
and my
pricing is
son?
low enough to be Ford's entry-level model. And
What
on
the
top of
fuck?
that, they gave it a standard hybrid powertrain,
No,
making it the
Frollo,
least expensive
your dad
new
will kill
hybrid
you.
you could
Well,
buy.
think again.
No one even attempted to match that this year, so the Maverick is a winner again.
There's Fabrizio.
Oh shit,
The Ford
Fabrizio.
F-Series remains the best-selling
Landon, he's
lineup of
over
full-size
there.
pickup trucks
Fuck.
year after year.
Plushie agents,
So winning our best
open fire
full-size
on the
truck award
zombies.
is probably no big surprise. The major reason for that is the constant innovation that Ford continues to bring across
Fabrizio, man, are you alright?
the all-new 14th generation F-150 that arrived for 21 was impressive enough, but since then, they not only went
Really?
electric with the
Third
Lightning,
time's the
but made it
charm?
affordable.
Just like what
Then
King
they
Sabian
catapulted
and
themselves
Hector
back
did.
to the top of the off-road performance truck heap
Well,
with the
we can settle
700
this
horsepower
conversation another
Raptor
time.
R.
We got
But
this
what
contract for
really
you to
sealed
sign
the
to
deal
shut
this
down
year
exit
was a new
49B in
generation
the
of
portal.
Super Duty
Yeah, it's
trucks
right here.
that deliver more towing,
I signed
payload,
it first,
torque, and
because
horsepower
I have been
than
over
any
this 6
heavy-duty
times.
truck yet.
I
and
know.
integrate new technologies that not only pamper but help you
Okay,
perform
Sammy,
your
it's
jobs
your turn.
better than ever. That's a wrap for our 2023 Driver's Choice Truck and
Alrighty.
Utility winners.
Only one more left, and that's my son, King Leonard. Follow me.
30 minutes later at 1 p.m.
Leonard, man, are you okay? You've been hit.
Less than 18 minutes. No matter how
Landon,
it's spec'd
where have you
out,
been?
the EV6 is quick, comfortable, and a more
The
than
mayors have
capable
sent for us to
handler.
rescue all of
It
you
also
and
doesn't
stop
feel
Jaws from
overly
building the
heavy like
freeway.
many EVs,
Yeah, and we
with a
got this
tossable
contract for
nature
you
go with that
to
near
sign.
instantaneous power that we've come to love from
I've got enough
EVs.
info for you to
It
trip the
looks
zombies
cool,
in case
too,
this
and
falls
certainly
through.
trendy,
Yeah,
with a
what do you think about that,
five-door
Leonard?
profile,
Good idea.
plus door
Now,
handles,
where do
and
I sign?
long wheelbase, but its face
Right
is
here.
aggressive
1 hour
and
later
more
at 2 p.m.
Let's do this.
Soon it will all be over. I think you just got the universe record for best revenge ever.
That's right, motherfucker. We rescued all of our friends, and with their signature, this document is complete. Shut down exit 49B and the portal.
Decree from City Hall, yo! Historical
Are they laughing at us?
They think we got everybody fellow Quebec
Huh?
Huh? You have to get the signatures of all the Jonesboro squad members.
Huh?
Mom,
Great!
and tech savvy, including BMW's curved display
Great.
and an available interaction bar.
No wonder why we have a
Chevrolet
missing
has partnered with American
signature.
Expedition Vehicles for the new Colorado ZR2
Now hand over the document,
This
or the
is
kitten
redesigned
gets it.
midsize pickup, exclusive
Why did we
AEB
have to
bumpers,
hire the kitten to
17-inch
help
V-lock
clean
capable
Robin's
wheels
camper
with
and go
35-inch
explore
wet
right
terrain
before all
tires
this happened?
and multimatic
Why did we have to
dampers.
do that, man?
It uses the same 2.7-liter
This isn't his
turbo
fight.
inline four found in the regular ZR2.
Sorry.
Aston Martin has debuted
Quit
their
messing
DB12
around and bring me the
Super
fucking
Tourer.
contract.
It boasts a
Okay,
3-liter
okay.
turbo V8 with 671
Hee hee
horsepower
hee hee.
and 590
Revenge is a dish best
pound-feet of
served
torque.
cold.
That means
Rude.
0 to 60
Fetch the
sprints
coffee.
in 3.5
Iced.
seconds. It
Oh,
comes
God.
with a reworked chassis, suspension, and Michelin
Oh,
Pilot
God, no.
Sport 5S tires.
The city!
Finally, starting early next year, 40V owners
My
will
town.
be able to plug in to over
Or hope.
12,000 Tesla superchargers in the U.S. and Canada.
Our
Unhappy with
only
other
hope.
charging networks' reliability, 2025 40
All is
EVs
lost.
will switch to the Tesla North American charging
Groot
port,
D.
eliminating
Stop
the need
thinking
for an
about
adapter.
things and bring us
It's
the
a good
coffee
bet other
already.
brands will
Kids
follow.
worthless, am I
And
right?
that's it for this week's Motor News.
What?
If we've learned anything over the last 42 years here at Motor Week, it's that number
That
one
was
spec
uncalled
sheets
for.
don't make great
Conrad,
cars.
get down there.
A few moments later.
First things first, the Aria is very enjoyable to drive.
Right.
Riding on
Gather
a new
round.
EV-specific
Gather round now.
architecture developed
We'll just
with
tear this
Renault.
thing up and
It's
get this
also
war
spacious,
back on.
comfortable, and very quiet inside. All the things we look for and appreciate in state-of-the-art EVs. Unlike the Leaf's more entry-level
is that a drawing
approach,
of you
the
with a dick
Aria
for a
leans more
face?
to the premium side of the market.
Hey, losers!
Platinum trim.
Should have checked
And
the
there's a
fine print
healthy
before we
dose
switched the
of
contract in front of your face. Know what I'm saying?
available two-ports all-wheel drive. When equipped with the Plus long-range 87 kilowatt-hour battery, the 290 kilowatt dual motor setup delivers 389 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. Standard 63 kilowatt-hour battery e-force models put out 345 horsepower. Two power levels for the front-wheel drive version 2, 214 horsepower standard,
Whoa,
228
whoa.
in front. With the big battery and front-wheel drive, the Aria offers a max range of 300 miles. Though it doesn't have quite as high charging speeds as some competitors, maxing out at 130 kilowatts. Our Platinum Plus trimmed e-force is rated at 267 miles of range, which is
We did it!
exactly where
We
we
finally did it!
are driving with. With around 600,000
Yeah,
miles
Groot,
on
that
the
was
road,
awesome.
no doubt Nissan's battery tech is
I am
pretty
so
well
proud of
sorted
you,
at this
dear.
point. The Aria's regen braking like the natural feel of some EVs.
You saved the
but
city
works
and the
well.
world at the very
As
last
does
minute.
the E-step
That was a
mode.
magnificent
It's
picture.
just short of
Let's hear it for Groot!
as a red breeze will clear a start. The electric switches inside gives a very contemporary, minimalist vibe that we liked. You'll have to make most adjustments either
Thanks,
on the
guys.
12.3
Does
inch
stuff like this
touchscreen
happen all the
or
time?
wooden touch
Yeah,
sensitive
pretty
touch
much.
panel.
Almost every fucking
Platinum
year.
trim is the only
Well,
one that
I
comes
guess
with
the mission
Napa
was the
leather
success.
instead of leatherette or cloth, and it's quite nice.
That's right.
The Aria does have a couple of other cool tricks. There's a drawer for storage that deploys out from under the dash, and a power sliding center console that's both practical and fun to play with. Rear seat passengers have a wealth of space, aided by a completely flat floor that maximizes legroom. The range or EV technology, but it does offer leaf buyers a long-awaited larger
Now we better go
SUV
home and
option
wrap
to
up the
step up
season.
to. While at the same
But first
time,
we got to take
delivering
Leonard to the
market
hospital.
Hey, I got his back.
fewer than most
Okay,
mainstream
then go
EV
ahead.
offerings. It took Nissan quite
This
a while
day was
to do
tougher
that,
to handle.
but Aria
Yeah, I know.
owners will
Everybody go
certainly
home,
be
stay
pleased
low.
with
We
the
haven't seen each
outcome.
other all day. Copy? Well, I gotta take Leonard to the hospital now. I gotta call the mayors real quick.
1 hour later at 3 p.m.
Mission accomplished, mayors. Jonathan and Connor, the Sohogs have finally been stopped for good. And we saved the world once again, with the help of Groot at the very last second.
Nice work, outstanding, Landon. Thank you for all your hard work today.
It was certainly a pleasure. We'll see you around. Are you sick and tired of waiting for more episodes during the summer break? Then listen to this. Never fear, me and my dog will return for a third season in a row. We will still keep our Thursday 10/9 Central slot, but sadly, it's gonna be pushed to 2025. We don't know which date in 2025 is at this time, but I promise we will feature 22 original episodes during that time frame, and an astonishing new chapter. So, until next time, I'm Lennon Stark Miller. Have a good night, everybody.
Me and My Dog returns January 2025 on City TV Plus.